How do you reset the ADT alarm system using the reset button?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about how to reset your ADT alarm system. It's a simple process that you can do on your own, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started.
Why would you need to reset your ADT alarm system?
Sometimes, your ADT alarm system might encounter some glitches, or perhaps you've recently had a power outage or changed the battery, and it needs a reset. Resetting your ADT alarm system can help solve these issues and ensure that your home stays safe and secure.
Locating the reset button.
The first step to resetting your ADT alarm system is finding the reset button. The reset button can usually be found on the main control panel of your alarm system. The location of this button might vary depending on the model of your ADT system, but it's typically clearly marked and easy to find.
Performing the reset.
Once you've found the reset button, the process is straightforward. 1. Press and hold the reset button on your ADT control panel. 2. Continue holding the button until the system beeps, or the LED light starts blinking. This usually takes about 10 seconds. 3. Once the system beeps or the LED light starts blinking, you can release the reset button. This indicates that the system has been successfully reset. Remember, this process might vary slightly depending on the model of your ADT alarm system, so be sure to consult your system's user manual if you encounter any difficulties.
What to do after resetting your system?
After resetting your system, it's a good idea to check if all the components are working correctly. Test your alarm by setting it off intentionally and then disarming it. If the alarm responds as expected, your reset has been successful. And that's it. You now know how to reset your ADT alarm system using the reset button. I hope this guide was helpful, and you feel more confident in maintaining the security of your home. Remember, safety is paramount, and understanding how your alarm system works is an essential part of keeping your home secure. Thank you for watching.